The grave is an abode of every individual, be it the rich or the poor. Death is inevitable, irrespective of your religion, culture, or nation. We Muslims have a particular belief about life after death, that will be asked questions in the grave, the righteous and the evildoer alike. The Muslim slave who lived a righteous life in this world will answer the questions in the grave with ease. Then a caller from the heavens will say, "My slave has spoken the truth." Allah, the flawless, the all-knowing, has testified that the obedient slave has spoken the truth. What a joyous moment! What a proud status! Next is the blissful moment for the obedient slave to get his rewards in the grave for passing the test. Allah, the Exalted, will give him 6 magnificent rewards. Firstly, a bed prepared in the heaven will be laid out for him in the grave. Second, he will be clothed with a beautiful dress woven in heaven. Thirdly, a door will be opened from his grave. He'll see paradise through that door. The beautiful breeze and the aromatic smell of musk from the heaven will reach his grave. Then, with Allah's order, his grave will be expanded for him as far as he can see. This is the 4th reward. The grave of the obedient has changed to a room, hasn't it? Clothed with a beautiful dress, he is blessed with a cozy bed and a door through which caressing breezes enter. The grave is now a spacious abode. What more does it need? What else is missing in that room? For the 5th reward, Allah, the Exalted, will place a powerful nur in his grave. Then, for the final reward, a man will be sent to him with a handsome face, nice clothes, and a sweet scent. That is his good deeds, his prayers, the fasting he observed in the world, the bottles of wine he tossed away, the bribe he refused to take, and the interest-based loans he didn't take. My dear brothers and sisters, increase your good deeds to attain these 6 rewards, and let us all strive to die as righteous Muslims.